beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Augusta Cole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is another wig review, and I am reviewing this really cute wig right here, and she is from Mayde Beauty, and she has a 6-inch lace part, and she's on a lace front. She's just a wig, and her name is Kailey, and I got her in the color FFHOTCHOC because y'all know it's January and it's cold, and you know what better drink to have than some hot cocoa, y'all. And the claims of this unit, it says it's level up your hair game with Mayde 6-inch lace part wig. And she has a full 6 inches of hand-tied lace parting and the widest and deepest lace part. And it's a pre-plucked for a realistic scalp-like appearance and customized look. And this is how she's looking on the stock card. And the color shown on the stock card is BO2204. And y'all, I am really loving these highlights. Like, look at these highlights in her. It is so pretty. And she does have a dark root. And this is how she looks on the side. And this is how she looks on the back. And y'all, the only thing I did was I just plucked the part of space a little bit more, and I just put some powder in her, and I combed her out, and I put her on. And that's really all you have to do with Kailey. She is a plop and go wig. You don't have to do that much to her. I mean, only if you want to. That's optional. And y'all, she is a great wig to wear with a hat. Like, I just upped my styler game right here with this hat right here. And if y'all wondering where I got this hat from, I got it from City Trends. And this hat just completed the whole look with Kailey, y'all. I am feeling this, y'all. I really am. She does shade. She does do some shading, but I think that's only because when I was plucking the part in space and I was combing her out. That's probably the reason why she was shading. And also, she has blonde in her, y'all. So, you know, blonde units do tend to shade more than other units. She feels silky. She has some silky texture in her. And she does feel comfortable on my head. She's not giving me any trouble. I'm running my fingers through her. She tangles, but I'm getting a few snags, but like not really tangling. So that's a plus right there. So this is for all my ladies out there who don't like to spend a whole lot of time with their wigs. You can just put Kailey on and head on out the door. And I will link everything in the description box below. The website where you can get her from and all that good stuff. And y'all, that is it for this video. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.